Have you noticed that when it comes to losing weight, most diets focus on restrictions and what you can't eat? But today we'll tell you the opposite. Instead of focusing on what you can't eat, we'll show you 6 delicious and fiber-rich foods that you should include in your diet to improve your digestion and maintain a healthy weight. So, are you ready to discover how you can eat more and weigh less? Then keep watching this video from The Healthy Habit. Avocado. Avocado is a fruit rich in healthy fats, soluble fiber, vitamins, and minerals. One of the main advantages of avocado is that it can improve heart health by reducing blood cholesterol levels. It can also help reduce inflammation in the body and improve digestive health due to its high soluble fiber content. In addition to its health benefits, avocado is extremely versatile and can be easily added to many different dishes. One of the most common ways to enjoy avocado is to slice or dice it and add it to salads, tacos, or sandwiches. It can also be used as an ingredient in guacamole, a creamy and delicious sauce that can be enjoyed with vegetables or as an accompaniment to some dishes. Berries. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries, are fruits rich in fiber and antioxidants. In addition to their delicious taste, berries are beneficial to health as they can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and some types of cancer. Berries are easy to incorporate into your daily diet, either as a healthy snack or as an ingredient in your meals. They can be enjoyed alone as a snack or mixed with yogurt or milk to create a delicious and healthy smoothie. They can also be used as a topping for your cereals, oatmeal, or as an ingredient in a fresh and colorful salad. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. One of the main advantages of broccoli is its sulforaphane content, a compound that can help reduce the risk of cancer and improve cardiovascular health. Broccoli can be enjoyed in many different ways, either raw or cooked. For a healthy and delicious option, you can add broccoli to your salads or sauté it with other vegetables to create a healthy stir-fry. You can also enjoy a creamy and delicious broccoli soup as a starter for your dinner. Another option is to use broccoli as the main ingredient in a pasta dish with broccoli, garlic, and olive oil. Chickpeas. Chickpeas are a legume rich in fiber and protein, making them ideal for those looking for a source of plant-based protein. They are also an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, making them a sustainable energy source for the body. Chickpeas are very versatile and can be a delicious addition to many recipes. They can be made into hummus, a smooth and creamy paste that can be enjoyed with bread or vegetables. They can also be added to salads, soups, and stews to increase their protein and fiber content. Additionally, chickpeas can be enjoyed in the form of snacks, simply roasted in the oven and seasoned with spices of your choice. Quinoa. Quinoa is a whole grain that is rich in protein, fiber, and vitamins. It is an excellent source of plant-based protein and can be a healthy alternative to refined grains and other processed carbohydrates. Additionally, quinoa is naturally gluten-free, making it an excellent choice for those following a gluten-free diet. Quinoa is easy to cook and can be a versatile ingredient in many different recipes. It can be cooked like a cereal for breakfast and mixed with fresh fruit, yogurt, and nuts. It can also be used in place of rice as a side dish for main courses or as an ingredient in salads. Additionally, quinoa is a popular ingredient in vegetarian burgers and meatballs due to its unique texture and flavor. Almonds. Almonds are an excellent source of healthy fats, protein, fiber, and vitamins. They are also rich in antioxidants, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Almonds are easy to incorporate into your daily diet and can be enjoyed alone as a healthy snack. They can also be added to salads and main dishes to increase their nutritional content. Another option is to use almond flour as a substitute for wheat flour in your baking recipes to increase their protein content and reduce their refined carbohydrate content. Almonds are also a popular ingredient in nut butter, which can be enjoyed with fresh fruit, bread, or in smoothies. In conclusion, incorporating fiber-rich foods into our daily diet can be a significant habit change for our health. The 6 foods we have presented in this video are just some examples of how we can improve our digestion and maintain a healthy weight naturally and deliciously. There is no doubt that nutrition is the foundation for a healthy and balanced life. We must remember that we are responsible for our own body and health, and that small daily actions can make a big difference in our lives. So, if you have enjoyed this video and want to continue learning about healthy habits, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like and comment below with your impressions and experiences about incorporating these foods into your daily diet. Remember that together we can create a healthy and happy community. See you in the next video.